When working in a monolithic architecture, we have a single application that contains all of our business logic. These monolithic applications are usually divided into modules, but all of these modules are deployed together as a single unit. These applications are usually deployed onto a single server, and all of the modules share the same memory and CPU. The modules communicate with each other using in-process calls, be it function calls, method calls, etc. That's why we can easily share data between modules, and we can also use transactions that span multiple modules. Also, we can easily debug monolithic applications as we have a single process, and we can easily trace the execution flow. On the other hand, in a microservices architecture that we learned about in the previous lesson, we have a set of small services that are deployed independently. Each service is a separate application that contains all of the business logic for a specific domain. These services can communicate with each other using the network via HTTP, TCP, etc., or message brokers such as RabbitMQ, Kafka, and so on and so forth. Just keep in mind that each architecture has its pros and cons. Monolithic applications are usually easier to develop and debug, and they're also easier to deploy. On the other hand, microservices tend to be easier to scale and maintain, and are usually more resilient to failures.